Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to play music in Discord. So first you just have to launch or open your Discord application, and then what you're going to do here is to simply create a server or add a new server here. Okay, create your own, and then you can name it as Music 101 since it's all about music, but everything is up to you. Okay, and then once you added a name, you can now click create. And after that, you can exit this and go to any web browser. So now I'm using Google web browser, and all you have to do is simply type this top.gg. Okay, tap this one. Okay, and you have to verify that you're 100% human. Okay, so as you can see, there are tons of bot here that you can use for your Discord. But let's just focus on this bot. Okay, green bot. You can simply search that here, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so tap this one, and then you can read some instruction or information about this bot below. And once you're done reading, you can now click this pink button here, invite. Tap this one, and it will take you directly to another page. Now log in your Discord account, and then you just have to simply select the server here, Music 101, tap continue, and make sure that you have checked these boxes here. Okay, and then once you're done, click authorize and wait for a couple of seconds, and you have to verify again that you're 100% human. Click I am human, and then you can now start. So after doing that, it will take you directly to your Discord application. And what you're going to do here is to simply go to this box here, text box. And if you want to know more information, instructions about how to use this screenbot, all you have to do is just simply type asterisk and help. But as you can see, I can't access to that, so I don't know why. Maybe I have to upgrade to premium. Anyways, if you want to start using this bot here, what you're going to do is simply go to this type box again, type slash, and then play, and then kindly add the music that you want to add. If, for example, I want to play some Selena songs, but I would recommend that you select or you look for a specific song. Okay, so as you can see, it will play automatically. So whoever is member to this server, they can also see the activity here. If you are currently playing a music, then they can also listen to that. And then you can adjust and modify some settings here. Okay. And if you want to play another song again, you just have to do the same thing. Type slash play and then name the song. Okay, and then enter. And anyone can listen to the song. Now, if you want to stop, all you have to do is to simply type again slash stop, and it will stop the music that you're currently playing on the server. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.